Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your eligibility and the item's trade status. This avoids canceled exchanges. Once you have level and permissions, pick the specific sole you want to move because rarity and binding determine value. Next, open the trade interface and place the sole into the offer slot. Make sure to set a clear price or define the barter contents so the other party can respond. Doing this first reduces disputes and speeds up matching in the marketplace. Once the item is listed, you negotiate terms, and you must be precise. You tell the buyer the sole's stats and enhancements because small differences change price notably. Then, switch to the secure in-game trade window to exchange offers. This prevents scams. If using currency, confirm amount and any seller fees, or if splitting proceeds, set the percentage. Finally, lock in delivery timing so both sides know when the transfer and confirmation occur. To finish, you double-check that the item and payment match the agreed terms. Never hit confirm until you see it. After confirming the exchange, immediately inspect your inventory and transaction log to ensure the sole and funds completed. Keep a screenshot and trade ID for records. If something goes wrong, contact support promptly with those screenshots and the trade ID. This speeds dispute resolution and helps recover lost items or funds when the system can verify what happened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.